Alright, what's up everyone? What we're making today, I'm gonna share with you guys my chicken wings appetizer. It's very easy to make. Only 3 ingredients, just 3. Oil, seasoning salt, garlic and pepper. And of course our chicken wings. That's all we need to make your appetizer chicken wings. Let's start cooking. Hey guys, I'm just waiting for my oil to get hot, so I'm just gonna mix my ingredient. This is the garlic and black and pepper seasoning, and this is the seasoning salt. That's it. That's all you need. So we'll just give it a good mix. If you have a company and having a drink, you want something easy and good to eat when you're drinking, have a chicken wings. And I love my chicken wings. So when I'm done frying this chicken, when I'm done with this, I'm going to make it into 2. One of them is going to be half of them is going to be buffalo hot chicken wings. Any spice that you can use. There we go. That's it. My oil is still not hot yet. Alright guys, let's try our oil, see if it's hot already. Alright, it's nice and hot, so we'll just load it up with our chicken wings. So the secret of making frying a chicken wing, don't overcrowd your frying pan, so it will cook better. Another thing too guys, what you do when you're frying chicken wings is make sure you have enough oil that your wings is underneath the oil. You don't want your wings above the oil. It has to be underneath. Don't be cheap with the oil, because if you want to have a really nice crispy chicken wings and properly cooked, make sure it's under the oil, your wings. Alright, this is done. Now you guys see how I make my chicken wings. It's so simple. It's just only 3 ingredients. you have a company at home and you know you want some appetizer before the big dinner, just make some chicken wings or ribs. Pork ribs is really good too to make an appetizer. If you want to do that, you can do the same thing, or you can oven it. You can put it in the oven, and if you put it in the oven, it's healthier than frying it. I usually put it in the oven, and you know sometimes I do it this way, but most of the time I do it in the oven because it's healthier than frying it with the oil. Another thing too, guys, that I was gonna tell you guys, if you're frying chicken, sometimes it's stick on the bottom of it, so all you have to do is keep mixing it like this, or pushing it so it doesn't stick on the bottom. If you don't want to burn one side of your chicken wings or whatever you're frying. And it's the best way to doing it like this. Just keep stirring it. That's what I do anyway when I'm frying things. So I just want to make sure it doesn't stick on the bottom part of my frying pan. Well, this is just about ready now. It's pretty close to be ready. Another thing too that you can tell your wings if it's ready, it's starting to split. So that means it's cooked. So what I'm going to do with this chicken wings is I'm going to make it one regular and one, I have Frank hot sauce. I don't have the buffalo hot sauce, so I'm going to use the Frank hot sauce to do the half of it. There we go. I have a screen here, so what I'm doing here is I'm draining the rest of the oil, trying to get the oil out from the chicken wings. So we're gonna finish our chicken wings here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay, now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna divide it into two. Half of it is spicy, so I have a bowl here. I'm gonna put half in here and then I'll mix it with the spice. Now it's up to you how much spice do you want in your chicken wings. We don't have to measure it because we know it's spicy, and it's up to you. Then all you have to do is just mix them up. Now you have a spicy chicken wings. Right, it's nice and mixed. So I'm gonna use my grill as a serving plate because it's big enough. So I'm going to decorate this with my appetizer wings. And there it is. Our chicken wings, regular chicken wings and spicy chicken wings is ready to be served. Now the last thing that we're going to do is the dipping. The best dipping for regular chicken wings is the ranch dressing. This is what you use for salad dressing, but you can use it for dipping. It's really good. Depends what chicken wings are you making. And the other one is the red hot and spicy Frank spicy sauce. That's what we need. There we go. It's ready to be served. There we go, guys. Our finished product: chicken wings appetizer with hot sauce dipping and salad dressing, ranch salad dressing dipping. Just two. So if you like what you see, what I do with my cooking, please subscribe to my channel, Dino the Filipino Vlogger, and there's more cooking to come. And thanks for watching. Peace.